Sudah siap?
Ya.
Let's go hike. Bye, Melon. Bye. We'll be back in 2 days. Okay?
Bye bye.
Mammy, let's go. So we are lost and lost the GPS navigation. The driver is asking a local. Ada.
Yeah.
This smells so good. It smells so good. What is the smell? Okay, it's so chaotic. This is my guide. Bye, Mammy. This is the base camp. We haven't even started hiking on the trail yet. This is Hendra. He's one of the guides, and Kang Jack. This is the base camp. Usually hikers spend the night here before they start hiking the next day. But I didn't do that. Mana kamar mandinya? Toilet. Okay, there it is. Oh, squat toilet. I just made a video the other day about squat toilet and I find one here. It is 10:23 a.m. and we're finally starting. After all the commotion, driving here, getting here, driving through villages. Yeah.
Broccoli.
Oh, which one? This one is broccoli?
Yeah.
Wow. Jack here, Mr. Jack is the professional trekking guide. And Hendra has not climbed up a mountain for 11 years. The last time was 11 years ago, he said. For only 20 minutes. We're gonna camp at a campsite, a meadow called Alun-Alun Surya Kencana, and it's about 10 kilometers from the base, and that is about 6.4, maybe 6.5 miles. Oh. First time hiking in Indonesia. So far so good. In a poor country like this, I dare not hike on my own yet. Plus, the requirement is you have to bring at least 3 people and you have to register. And they have 2 different prices, entry prices for foreigner.
Permit.
And yeah, permit, right here, the permit.
Yeah. Permit.
And it's different price, right?
Yeah.
Different price for local.
Yeah.
And foreigner. I'm considered foreigner because I don't have KTP. I don't have citizenship card. I have let go my Indonesian citizenship to become a US citizen. So I have to pay 10 times more. Is it 10 times more?
Yeah.
Yeah, 10 times more for foreigner. Discrimination. Right now it's so freaking steep, and it's not the steepest yet. Oh look, there's a dog. Hi. Do you know Bobo? No. I thought we were going so slow, but Jack said no, we're going very fast. I was like, so what does slow look like? Slow is like 100 meter, and then you take a break for 10 minutes every 100 meter. This is called warung. You can buy snacks there, food, water. It's called warung.
Montanagon. A lot like animal.
Animal?
Yeah, animal.
What kind of animals can we see here?
Wild boar.
Oh, okay. Wild boar.
Japan gibbon.
Java.
Japan gibbon. Yeah.
Apa itu? Oh, gibbon.
Yeah.
It's
Japan gibbon.
some kind of monkey
Yeah.
from Java. Javanese monkey. Javanese
Species.
gibbon.
Japan gibbon. Japan gibbon. Long tail gibbon.
Long tail gibbon.
Black gibbon. Yeah. And
Okay,
then
will we
aqua.
see one?
Yeah.
Will we see one? Oh no.
I hope. Yeah. After this, a lot Japan gibbon at the tree.
Oh, or maybe they
Yeah,
hear
yeah,
people and run away.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll get to see some Javanese gibbons. He said there's also leopards, but it's very rare sighting to see leopard. They're hiding, avoiding people, so we won't see any for sure. Wow.
This is here, but if rainy, not easier.
Yeah, licin pasti.
Sangat licin.
This is tough. Look at that. Look at these roots. A lot of roots. Akar-akar. Ooh. Ooh. We arrive at Pos 1, post number 1, or checkpoint number 1. There are 7 checkpoints total. Hey.
Selamat datang.
Selamat datang
Di pos 1.
at checkpoint number
Yeah.
1. Sweating like crazy.
Yeah.
So it's 11:13 now. We're taking a 10-minute break here at checkpoint number 1. Jake said that checkpoint 1, 2, and 3 is mild, and after checkpoint number 3 is gonna turn to shit because it's all gravel. So yeah. It is now 11:48 and we just passed Checkpoint number 2. We're not resting here. Jack found his friends. Ooh, hello.
Mangkok. Iya, mangkok sok.
So Jack and Hendra are teaching me Sundanese language.
Jalan-jalan.
Sundanese language, okay. Badai kemana?
Oke, badai kaluhur.
Hah?
Badai kaluhur.
Okay. Hayo.
Ayo.
Not bad. We're taking a smoke break. Everyone smokes here.
Mari kita
Hah?
jalan lagi. Ayo jalan.
Hayo jalan. It is 12:45. We've been hiking for over 2 hours and it is uphill non-stop. Steep uphill over roots and a big step up. The steps are getting bigger and bigger. And this is not the steepest part yet. After checkpoint number 3 coming up, I heard it's gonna be worse. So it is brutal, you guys. It is never flat. It's always non-stop. Uphill, incline. Hendra is dead. He's dead or dying. His pack weighs 20 kilo. I think mine weighs maybe 12 or 13, I don't know. I'm carrying 2 liters of water that I'm drinking slowly. We got some flatness for a few minutes or seconds. Everybody has a big backpack here. Huge. Look at that guy. Look at that. It's like wide. What are they carrying? Look at this guy. Finally arrived at post number 3. Post 3, checkpoint number 3. It is 1 o'clock. Oh, that was brutal. And it's gonna get worse. There's a lot of people around here. A lot. A lot of people. Look at this backpack. They brought a lot of food. They're gonna cook. They brought pots and pans and oil and banana. They're gonna make fried banana later for dinner. And traditional Indonesian food they're gonna cook. I only brought backpacker's meal. Look. I don't know what they're doing.
Tenaga.
Ini apa lontong?
Nasi timbal.
Nasi timbal.
Belum pernah makan deh nasi timbo. I've never had nasi timbo.
Ya, sambal.
Sambal.
Oh, with hot
Telur,
sauce?
telur.
With eggs, look, eggs.
Ya. Rendang.
And they eat with their hands. Coba demonstrasi makan pakai tangan.
Oh ya.
Nasinya.
Nasinya. sambal.
Yum.
Oh.
We're having coffee. Coffee in a plastic cup. Kelar itu.
Ah jangan dong, harusnya pakai yang itu. Waduh. Gawat ini makanan konservasi deh jadi pakai.
By the way, I got a new backpack. It's the same backpack as I had before, but it's just a different color and newer. It is about 1:30. Hendra and I are struggling. You gonna make it? Maybe. Oh gosh. Look at this forest, rainforest. It's beautiful. This is nothing yet. It's so steep. Jack said that the hard part will last an hour and a half.
Ya berat.
Ngapain dia?
Tukeran tas.
Loh, ya. Why?
Ya ngerasain.
Lebih berat.
Aku bawa.
They're switching bags.
Biar ngeras. Omekeun atuh.
They're switching bags.
Di mana? Di
Hendra's backpack is significantly heavier than Jack's backpack. So they're sharing the pain. Jake's carrying 25 kilo and smoking at the same time. That's impressive.
because this my energy.
Yeah. If you don't smoke, you can't do it.
Yeah.
Mungkin kalau smoke-nya 2 batang bisa bawain punya saya.
Hah?
Jack, rasain 25 kilo
25 kilo.
modar loh.
Itu ditungguin. Oh ya. Tuh dia, I got a video. It's getting more difficult. Look at this.
Botol air. Oh.
Oh,
Udah ada.
you left it, tinggalan.
Kirain ketinggalan.
Why is it getting harder? He said an hour more and we'll be at the campsite. Are you okay?
Oke.
You don't look okay.
Yang nombor. Ayo nambah gaya me berat kemarin.
Nobody wants to carry the water.
Ya.
Sabaraha?
If I eat this, I will get stomach ache for sure.
This tempe goreng, tofu, banana fry, pisang goreng.
We're approaching checkpoint number 4. Up there. It is 10 minutes after 3. We have reached checkpoint number 4. I saw some people with like a band-aid on their, like a white tape on their nose. I thought they're injured or they scratched their nose or something, but it's to help breathing. There's so many trash here in the woods. This is the difference between hiking in the developed country and a poor country like this. the people are not very educated, and they can't rationalize how to preserve nature. So they just bring bad habit here, throwing trash everywhere into the woods. So that's sad, but that's the culture here. Look at that guy's backpack. That guy's backpack is so big. Wow. Wow. Itu beratnya berapa ya? Okay. Jack said one more climb. After this one more climb and that's it. So much trash. Wow. Trash.
Udah tinggal terakhir ya tanjakan.
Are you sure it's one more climb? One more? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're not lying. Not lying ya? Nggak bohong.
Iya.
Awas kau bohong. Saya kasihan sama Hendra.
Enggak. Oke, aman. Ayo lanjut.
The trees are getting shorter because we're nearing almost to the top.
Last climb.
Sudah habis.
Habis.
The climb is over. It's now flat. Yay, so happy. Look at that. How cool is that? That is non-stop. What time is it? 3:46 p.m. We started at 10:23, so it's about over 5 hours. 5 hours of non-stop climbing.
Welcome to the Surya Kencana Meadow.
Yay! Surya Kencana Meadow.
From here to the
Campsite?
west, 45 minutes.
Okay, but flat.
Yeah, but flat.
And it's open meadow.
Yeah.
This is East Surya Kencana Meadow, and we are walking to the west side to the campsite, which takes 45 minutes. Wow, look at that.
Keep running from here to the west. Less from 45. I think
Yeah.
half hour.
But we're not running.
Yeah.
No running.
Finish.
Yay! We made it. How beautiful.
This for camping area, and then
Oh, okay, yeah. It says
mark.
camping area
Yeah.
over there. That's where we saw some tents. And then no camping over here. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful.
Ke Surya Kencana. Kapan lagi? Ayo. Ayo.
I don't understand a word he's saying. He's speaking Sundanese. Sundanese. It is 4:21 p.m. I am so exhausted. The air is thinner here, so I'm having trouble breathing. Maybe because I'm tired too. But yeah, this is
Lebih dah 2000.
over 2,000 meter right now, so I don't know about the feet, but I'll put it on the screen. Look at all the trash around. I miss the UK. Different mentality here. Trash everywhere. Everywhere. After walking around, we decided on a camp spot. He's getting my bag. I am gonna camp right here on this spot. It's challenging to find a flat spot because it's kind of lumpy and some rocks around. That's the water source over there, down there, and you're not allowed to camp down there. And that's the mountain we're climbing tomorrow, over there. Stay di sini ya.
Ya, nggak apa-apa.
Okay. It is almost 5 o'clock. I got my tent set up right there. I've brought my Nemo tent this time. Pretty windy, but not too bad. Wow, we brought a camp chair. It's beautiful. It is so windy. For dinner, I have spaghetti with meat sauce. I hope the wind will die down a little bit and not get worse throughout the night. We're pretty exposed here. All right, good first day. Tomorrow, we're going to summit Mount GEDE. The guide said that it only takes 45 minutes and then we're just gonna start going down on a different route. Good night, everyone. 2:30 in the morning, you guys, and I haven't slept since, I don't know, 8 p.m. The wind has been blowing like crazy, and my tent almost collapsed like 4 times. This is the worst night I've ever had camping. 4 times my one side of my tent collapsed to my face because the wind blew it so strong. When is this gonna stop? It's been non-stop since 9 p.m. and it's gotten worse.